Good morning, myself Ashikila Devi, Assistant Professor in Raguni College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the subject CS 3401 Algorithms. In this subject, today we are going to discuss about the topic Master's Method. So what is the outcome is, on successful completion of this module, the student should be able to solve the recurrence relations using Master's Method. So there are several ways to solve the recurrence relation. So you can use backward approach, forward approach, or you can use Master's Method. So in the previous videos we have discussed about the backward approach and forward approaches. In this video we are going to discuss about what is Master's Method, how we can solve the recurrence relation by using Master's Method. So we can solve the recurrence relation by using Master's method only if it is in the form of T of n is equal to A into T of n by B plus f of n. So here what is n is the size of the input, A is the number of subproblems in the recursion, and n by B is nothing but it's the size of each subproblem, and f of n is the cost of the work done outside the recursive call. So if a particular recurrence relation is in the form of T of n is equal to A into T of n by B plus f of n, means we can apply this Master's method. Otherwise we have to go for either backward approach or you can go for forward approach. Okay, so next, so when you apply the Master's method, what are the conditions you have? If A value is greater than B power k, means what is the T of n values? It is big O of n log A by B. If the A value is equal to B power k, means if B is greater than -1, means which is T of n is equal to big O of n log A by B into log B plus 1 into n. If P is equal to -1, means T of n is equal to theta of n log A by B into log of log n. If P is less than -1, means then T of n is equal to big O of n log A by B. And third case is if A is less than B power k, means then if P is greater than or equal to 0, means T of n is equal to big O of n power k into log P by n. If P is less than 0, means then T of n is equal to big O of n power k. So by applying these cases we can solve the problem. So now we are going to discuss this by using a problem. The given problem is T of n is equal to 4 into T of n by 2 plus n square. So what is the format? T of n is equal to A into T of n by 2 plus f of n. So here what is the A value? A value is 4. And what is your n value? N value is, here we have B power k, which is 2 power 2. So what is the k value? The k value is 2. So now apply this in the either in these three cases. So whether it is in the form of case 1 or case 2 or case 3, that you have to find out. So this is in the form of case 2, so you have to apply that in the equation so that you will get the value T of n is equal to n square into log n. Similarly, consider one more example where T of n is equal to 8 into T of n by 2 plus n square, where A is equal to 8. We know that the B power k value, which is equal to 22, which is equal to 4. So we know that A value is greater than B power k here. So you have to apply case 1. So when you apply case 1, what is the formula is T of n is equal to big O of n to the power of log B by A. So you have to apply that so that you will get big O of n cube. So this is how we can solve the problem. So this is how we can solve the problem by using Master's method.